Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by collecting materials and setting up your digital file. Scan or type the quote, then place it on a 2.5 3-inch artboard at 300 dpi so letters stay crisp. Once done, convert text to outlines. This prevents font swapping on other devices. Make sure to choose high contrast colors for legibility and test spacing so the quote doesn't look crowded. If you're cutting by hand, add a 1/8-inch bleed around each sticker to avoid white edges. Now you refine layout and prepare for printing or cutting. Duplicate your design across the page, add crop marks and a 1/8-inch bleed so cuts are clean, and include registration marks if you'll use an electronic cutter. Convert artwork to vector or export a 300 dpi PNG for inkjet printers. Vectors give sharper cut paths. Once everything aligns, decide laminate. Matte hides fingerprints, glossy enhances color. Make sure your cutter settings match material thickness. Finish by printing a test, then the final run and cutting your stickers. You should test print on plain paper to confirm size, color, and alignment before using sticker stock. If using a machine, load the sheet, align registration marks, and run a single test cut to verify blade depth. Once cut, peel the backing, apply laminate if desired, and trim to the registration lines for crisp edges. If you encounter miscuts, recalibrate blade depth and recheck registration marks before continuing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.